Alright, well, we got the motherboard in the case here. Went in without a hitch. Alright. So now it's time for CPU. Alright. Now let's get the CPU in here. Alright. So we got the serial number and certificate of authenticity and all that good stuff here. Alright, there we go. That is a Phenom Pod Cooler. Alright, so let's get that thing in there. Well, we got CPU in there. Now let's get that heatsink installed. Okay. We got everything installed. We got CPU, CPU cooler, we got all the front panel and audio connectors in. I'll tidy them all up when I know I've hooked them up correctly. And when I make sure everything works. So now I'm going to move on to optical drive. Oh, here it is. Client computer case is the computer is complete. All it needs is I'm waiting on Sam's for it. And I still have to tidy up the cables a little bit, but everything else is in here. We got our 550 watt power supply, quad core Phenom 9500. We have our 9400 GT graphics card, our 8 gigs of OCZ Blade memory, our terabyte hard drive, and our Samsung Writemaster. So now, I just have to wait till I get my fans and operating system to complete it. Alright, now we just gotta... Oh. There we go. Put these screws in here. Okay. Nice little vent here. Alright. Alright. Well, that's all. I will do a post when I get my fans in Vista. Alright, peace.